So hello, I'm here today to speak about the account that I'm growing from 0.25 cents to $20. Back then on May 18. This was how many days ago? This was 3 days ago now. So I'm still on it, and right now let me show you my current balance so that you can see I have a lot of trades today. So I'm still on it actually, and then we are still making it. Very soon I'm going to close this trade, but just let me show you guys how it is going. So the current balance now is $70. You see this deposit was, I withdraw all the money. That was on 19 years. I withdraw all my money. I left it zero. I don't give any money there. So until I see another position here today, that's what make me enter this trade, and then actually see where we are currently at this. So from there you can see, like, me and my mentor, we have a chat, and then I'm showing everything about it. We did a video, we have a chat, and today he was asking me that how was still the money, and like, I just have to explain to him. Where is it? Let me show you guys. See, so I think we are here now this morning. Like, I saw this chart. Basically, before entering this trade, I don't use any indicator. Even last time, I don't use any indicator till now. Like, indicator always, like, doesn't give me the right stuff that I need. So I have to wait. Like, I have to be patient and see the position, make the position before my entry. Now, me and him are having chats today that, look at this. I was telling him that, okay, wait, let me show you. Here it is. See, we have a retrace where I put the horizontal line there, so you can see it and see what I see. When it reaches the black zone, I will look for an entry there, and if it doesn't break the order, I'm going to get in. Okay, so now see, and here I am. Here is the market, and then I show him what's going on, and then after that we have a lot of charts till now, and see the trading is still going on here. So see, later on here I was showing him, I just want to hold this trade for a longer, but I think maybe there's gonna be a little reverse, so I close my trade here. That is around 1:00 p.m. this afternoon. So, and here again I have a buy, honestly, because like, this is serious. Look at this. Here is a retracement here. Actually, like, look at this. We have a last bearish candle, and we have a new bullish candle close mostly to the level of this bearish candle, and after that I went to the 5-minute time frame, and you can see we have a other block here. So after that, wait for the retracement, and then boom, I'm in again. So actually, for me to close this trade, I'm going to let it reach here before closing the trade. So this is still going on. Like, I was going to take, maybe if possible tomorrow, I'm going to take this 0.25 cents to $100 currently. The trade is still going on. Look at the balance now. I have $70. Right there. So it's still going on. And let me show you my trading history last week with the profit is $54. Okay, I will withdraw some of my money. That's sure. So you see, I will withdraw $26. And right now I'm having $38. You can see the history. It's not about the loss, it's what you are looking for. Look at it. I withdraw money here. You can see the history. Now there we go. You can see the history. I still withdraw another money here. You see. So from there. Okay. So currently now, from a deposit, because I saw the position, that is why I deposit this money currently today, just to hold that trade. You understand? But what I was seeing currently in the market is not corresponding with what I'm seeing there. Like, look at this. This market should have pulled back if possibly the market is a downtrend. But look at this, closing above. It's getting high long. Now I'm having $73. So okay, like, currently you guys should join this class. We are not joking here. No one is playing here. we are making real money. I'm not the only one, but this is just a confirmation from me personally. My name is Modupetemi, from me personally. So this is not a joke. You guys should come. Like, you just have to wait for your time. Wait for the market to reach where you want. Just place your trade. Don't be scared or anything like, oh, they got my money. Bro, that's not the way. That's not the way at all. Just have to be patient. Just leave your mind out of the market. Just be stable. Don't be too panic about your trading, like, my money is going to, what if it retrace? Though I was holding a market here currently, I don't use any indicator. You see, there is no indicator for me. I don't use any indicator, just the price action, nothing else. So I was here like 3 days ago from 0.25 cents. I currently got it to $26 actually, not 25, but let's just assume that way. So today now, I was trying to take that $9.96 to at least maybe $80 to $100 today. But let's see what's going to happen tonight. But currently we are still on it. We're actually still on it. So there's no joke around here. You guys should join this class. Like, if you really join, you are going to learn a lot. You are going to, in short, you are going to be rich from there. Actually, let me just say, you won't just learn only. Everybody in the class, no one is not making profit. Everyone is making money. Everyone is making profit. So you guys, don't waste your time. Seriously, don't waste your time. This is really actively going on. Look at this, I'm still on it. Possibly maybe next week I can, but now currently I'm going to stop. But this is not a challenge. There's no one challenging me, so I'm not ready for any challenge. So like, possibly right now I may say I'm going to take this $100 to $1,000, but not now currently. Let's just keep this one for now. So you guys shouldn't bore at all. Just come to the class, guys. This is a free knowledge. Like, this is a freedom for you. This is a freedom. See, I got no indicator here. Can't you just see? There's no indicator. If there's an indicator, I'll show you what I'm using. This is just a normal price action for me. So when the market just pull above here, I'm out currently. So that's one. Why I was in this market is that look at this. We have a previous higher high here. We have a higher low, and then market break it. And next we have a market breakdown, which I took my trade to sell because I saw this on 4 hours time frame from here. Actually, look at this. I got this from this guy. Like, if the market does reach here, let me show you. See, actually, I'm going to put the sell. I told my boss about that, and see, and the market even above it, and I took a trade above these guys. Let me show you. I took my trade actually from here, from ESF. So, and then you have, wants to break it, no, we have a pull off, and then retrace again, retest the position, no, not 30 minutes, 50, test the position, and then we are down. And after that, look at where we are. We have a close down, we have another retest again. So we are still on it. But currently, if the market doesn't pull above much more longer, I really appreciate the income. I wasn't saying that it must reach $80. No. If it doesn't reach, if you hit my stop limit, I'm out. Look at it. I have my stop loss here. Let me even show you in 1 minute. So I wasn't taking this trade like, oh man, I have my stop loss here. So just a little cent. I don't care whatever. But a little cent. I don't care if it pull back. But currently, let's just keep this up. You guys should do, like, if you are using indicator, believe me, you are not going to make the real cash, because indicators does tell lies on my own way, and I don't really believe it. I don't really believe on it. So if you are using normal price action, it's good currently. You will be a lot more patient. Like, you'll be more patient for the time to come, and you'll be confident when you are in the trade, and you know where actually to put your stop loss. Firstly, mind the stop loss before anything. I don't want to lose my assets to leave the markets in my pullback. No. Once you hit the stop loss, you are out currently. Don't stress yourself. Don't give yourself a stress. So let's see. We have it $30. Okay, not yet, man. See, no indicator. I was still on it. Look at my trading history. If I close this trade now, I'll be having profit of $84 currently. That's actually mean that I really gained more than $20 in the last trade, You get it? So today here we have profit. I deposit this money back because I withdraw everything. That was on day before yesterday. I withdraw all the money. So I was just like, okay, to the next market. That was how I do my stuff. I don't leave my money there because when I just enter and say, oh, you just get greedy. Like, okay, let me just enter this trade and let's see what happens. My brother, if you do that, you might be lucky sometimes, but currently, mostly all the time, you will lose this trade. Just once you close this trade, leave the market, maybe like for the next 24 hours, don't even open. You might be observing, but don't take a trade. Just be observing, don't take a trade. Like, okay, after then you see your position again, okay, get in. Just get in. Don't use indicator. Use what you see and realize that, okay, and this market go wrong, is it possible? Okay, let me see what's going to happen for the next 30 minutes. If the market is going to go wrong or right, know where to put your stop loss, and don't be too greedy. Don't be too greedy. Actually, greed don't scale a lot. Don't be too greedy. So that's what I'm just going to say currently. But now let's just see what's going to happen with this trade. Let's see what's going to happen, and that might be good today. So that's what I have to say, guys. That's how I do my trading. Like, I don't use any indicator. Indicator just it spoil works a lot. You will rely on it. You won't look at what is on the board actually. You won't look at what is on the board. So that's not how trading goes. Just have to keep it up, keep it going. That's how it's supposed to work. So that's all I'm going to say for now. See, let me show you our channel. Like, just God. This is just a big testimony for me. I'm happy for myself currently. I'm happy for myself. This is when I say it on 19 that okay, I took the trade. Yes, currently 9.97. That was my balance then. And profits. That is when I take 0.25 cents to $10. And from $10 the same day I flip it to $20. But I later took it to 26. So I withdraw the money and then deposit again today, which is not even up to 12 hours that I even deposit. Seriously, not even 12. The last one was 24 hours, but now this is not up to 12 hours. So you guys should join the premium group. Have a real lecture, and just follow. Don't because there are sometimes like we always want to lose hope. Like, okay, I'm not just going to trade. This thing just keep eating my money because it is you that you are the one that caused it, that the market just keeps eating your money. Like, you have to be calm. Just at least see what is going to happen. Just be calm yourself. See what is going to happen. Like, is this going to pull back? Because there are sometimes you get out of the market with loss, and then you see that the market just returns. You see that, oh, the market is against me. That is not how the market does works. You are the one against yourself. Seriously. So this is really a good lecture here. Like, it really helps everyone. This is a real knowledge. This is just a pure price action. I don't use any other indicator or anything. So this is just a pure knowledge for you guys. Pure knowledge, real one. So that's all what I'm going to say currently for now. And then that's what I'm going to say. Nice one. Just keep on doing it. Don't give up. Have a real knowledge about it. Not using indicator like, okay, I'm gonna use this indicator. They'll get your money. Just forget about it. You can't use the indicator 100 times. Like, you will have. I can't say, I don't know what the pairs you are trading because I'm only trading volatilities. I don't trade other pairs. So I only come once in a while in the market. If I see my position and I do my entry, and that was how it works. So thank you. That's what I'm going to say currently for now.